Looking to buy crypto in the US without paying those insane trading fees? In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 best US crypto exchanges with the lowest fees in 2025. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let's save your money and maximize your gains. Most people lose money in crypto, not on trades, but on fees. If you're trading on the wrong platform, you're already at a disadvantage. But don't worry. I've got you covered with the top low-cost platforms trusted by millions in the US. Coinbase Advanced. Number 5, Coinbase Advanced. Not to be confused with regular Coinbase, which has higher fees. Low maker-taker fees for active traders. Regulated in the US and beginner-friendly. Advanced tools, deep liquidity. If you're already on Coinbase, switch to Coinbase Advanced. It's like upgrading to first class without the price tag. Fear Kraken. Number 4, Kraken. One of the oldest and most trusted US exchanges. See fee as low as 0.16% maker or 0.26% taker. Great for spot and futures trading? Kraken is perfect for security-conscious users. It's built like a fortress and keeps fees surprisingly low. Knock to 3. KuCoin, US access via VPN disclaimer. Number 3, KuCoin. Technically not licensed in the US, but many still use it. Ultra low fees, 0.1% or less. Tons of altcoins and trading pairs. On-screen disclaimer, use at your own risk. Not officially available in US. If you're hunting for rare gems and paying pennies in fees, KuCoin is hard to beat. Just be aware of the regulations. Number 2, Bybit, now expanding in US. Number 2, Bybit. Lightning-fast platform with Pro Tools. Trading fees start at 0.06%. Great for derivatives and spot trading. Bybit is gaining huge popularity among serious traders. It's sleek, secure, and super low cost, a triple win. 1. Binance use. Number 1, Binance US. The zero fees on Bitcoin and Ethereum trades. Lowest spot trading fees in the US. Simple interface plus pro-level features. Binance.us takes the crown. With 0% BTC and ETH trades, it's unbeatable if you're cost-conscious. But move fast. These promos don't last forever. Bonus tip. Bonus. Want to pay even less? Use the exchange's native token, like BNB on Binance, to save an extra 25% on fees. And always use limit orders to avoid taker fees. Which exchange are you using right now? Drop it in the comments. I reply to everyone. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto saving tips every week.